Chinsa ni Ikomi chiabona mugoroba na ndo mwanchi umurigereria kero kwegena kwane korevuna nogendrete kwegokia kubwatie mirubirion siegeta ni kia Ndizi TV na bwo obwansu bwo Gusii gokwariga ni SMS ya Amayia irongoma ya ina kwariganirie asenchira ere yobwenge ekero ngokonyorera nabakogendera gotonyora sensemere ya Facebook wetera Ndizi TV News Digital asensemo ya YouTube ni goratonyora wetera Ndizi TV News na bogo tweet wetera @Ndizi TV News boigo ase website yeto ni goratonyora wetera www.ndizitv.or.ke erio togendere gusangama kiritriane Everlyne Osero tokuwatrana nere Joshua Auta kwene kebuna wikeira sense muyimenyererio kabana into ikomoerio Gokwari anto ya chaka senchira yobwenge kurwase county ya Kisii awase eskuru ya secondary ya St Vincent Omwari yogotoka ase bunge ya Bonchari me county ya Kisii egendrete kogokera amachibu Amayia matemo manene a KCSE yo mwaka wetu 2022 korengana no morokyo manene ase eskuru yo Kennedy Ochuodho nigo aborokiwa wo bakorete buya na wetania ekerengo kiria bebe krete buna eskuru asabwate eminia isano na ibere nukta isano nemo getamkero batebete kiarenge kiakegima.
Mimi ni Bwana Kennedy Ochuodho Osero. Sasa ndio mwalimu mkuu hapa St Vincent Omwari. Nilikuja hapa miaka 2 ambayo imepita, lakini kwa leo nimeona miujiza kwa sababu matokeo ambayo tulikuwa tunatarajia imekuja, hata imezidi kwa sababu tulikuwa na target ya 6.5 lakini ikaenda 7.6. Hiyo ni baraka kwa Mungu, lakini naomba kama next year this year result ambayo itatoka kama inaweza kuwa 8.1 tutashukuru kabisa, tena wanafunzi wangu watafurahi. Sasa hii kila mtu amefurahi shuleni kwa sababu tumefanya maajabu, tumeshinda mashule kubwa. Vile mnaona hii shule yetu ni mchanga, tena inatoka kwa msituni. Hii ni shule msituni. Lakini tumejaribu. Hata hao wanafunzi wa maskini wacha waende university. Tulifanya wanafunzi ambao walifanya mtihani ni 254. Lakini kwa 254 mbili hawakukuja. Sasa walipata X.
Obonchoreria ase sekta yobosombi bwa matatu nigo bwarokanire kogendera koira na magega asekeria bagotana no komenta kwerigori ria mafuta kurengana nabo bwatani korwa ase sekta yo ime muchobosongo nigo babeire bakwemurungani na otana nigo bakonyora chingongu aso bonchorere bwabo igento baganiria serikali kwene kyabuna nkorigererie rengane yo nakobakeaneri rigori yo riomba chie komenta achibesa chiria babiria bawakana.
Sama dia tangkuru kuantu nyamongo, anda mana njene konda kita ya suneka. Wana apa sombi bua mata tu abere toko eta na nechi customer para. Customer chikare ko chabana chikare ko dina chikari me, ili chikori na chikari me wana mafuta mna mente te ko mata suneke toko mo kali 70. Wana chi customer chikocha, echita ite ko ruwa misini. Wana anda mana to kare ko eta na nechi customer ko baya mafuta na itu ko mata sabichi basa jire igoro.
Asobo ene serikali itondo chenga bintumbekele kutochira bijaigo. Reason oroche ya maisha inaendelea kupanda. Back to school lakini bado gastralisium mafuta rigoro abebole tubakolera by then obo gimabwa tokongero ndio to sabange ngakie serikali ya Rwanda ngenteke tangani etokeria mafuta
chigalingo gore cha premium shuttle chiwo pale almost Kenya yons esenga kieye na bana school jego tuga bana bakagenda biashara bana byakongire na oligererie gabone tongana etoroje na balitwe katari osafiri.
Kampani ya Car and General Ikomi HPP chia TVS nigo ya watranire ne kyombe kia umusarabumbariri go Red Cross nabo igo enyagetari ya Oasis asibaruro bosemya go chia sabarundi abe HPP yo echo enchera yo go chitumeka nabo igo go chikorera chi service ekero chia beire chigo sareka bo igo nigo barure oborinkore bwabo sabwa moreire au asabarundi abe HPP askeri babo boriri kwene kyabuna ngweso kya baraso bonge elio korinkoriwa na konyora obosemi oburaba konya samatukari busyo.
Beza ngor kumazida ni mchiranya mwea korwe ward ya bus charge ward. Na jirega igaokarwe pigipigi ya ne service ne kama ni ya Car and General ngoira ni ngambi ya mono batokoreire service for free batoire chi reflector and batosomiri goro obuya bwokorera epigipigi service na koruchi kogora chi spares chire genuine na ase nyagitari ite oasis batotomera abanyagitari kurworo bapimire boniga esukari na pressure na nyorekanire mbiande na igure biako base rituko ria rero no natige biasara. I'm very grateful na nyorire obasemi obonne kurwase abantu ba
nekero yarokanire na abararia nigo bawetera emechando aekero barase emirimo yabo nigo egati abarari korwase ebituo byoburari ime county ya Kisii babeire bagosemiwa amanke kubatikana n'emechando anene emechando yobongo okwana chingaki ekyo nigo babwatani korwase ekiombe kya MCK baboririe abanyene ebitaseni byoburari akwenekia munango beka bare chingaki ensemo kyo korwa bosemia eryo gokonya abararia asengencho nigo bawetera
Journalists do a lot of stories about disturbing events in society, and therefore they are likely to suffer trauma from time to time. So as a Media Council of Kenya, we have a program on safety and protection of journalists, which covers the various aspects of safety. We have the physical safety, we have the digital safety where when journalists are online, and also now mental health, because previously this is an aspect of safety that has not been very well covered within the media, and therefore we are partnering with various players, starting with psychosocial experts. It is now possible for you to get in contact with the Media Council of Kenya whenever you feel that you have a challenge on mental health, so that then we are able to connect you with experts who can debrief you, who can do counseling for you, and also address those other challenges that we're seeing. The other thing that we're emphasizing on is the issue of advocacy around mental health in media. Yesterday we met station managers for media houses that are based in Kisii County with the aim of helping them build their capacity in developing and formulating policies that are sensitive to the safety and protection of journalists, because it affects the working environment within the newsroom and even outside. And therefore, when you're talking about physical, digital and mental safety, it addresses the issue comprehensively, so that then mental health is not looked at as an isolated incident.
Chingaki ekyo nigo ekiombe getenenerete ekinyomba ky'oburaria Media Council of Kenya kyararirie amaunchorerio ase ekikadi kyonsi kya Media Council asikire bagoteba buna obung'ainereria bwabeire bogoichora ase abanke bakung'ainereria koba abararia nabono nigo batebire muna nigo barachikwana na chikadi chinyao kyasa abararia ekyo chikwenekia buna oyo mogo ikera koba omuraria nabwate amasakararia kworokia buna nasomerete oburaria.
We are not criminalizing freelancing, but we are saying people must belong. If you are not in any media house that can recommend you, your association where you belong can recommend you. Also, we are aware that journalism is not only in the newsroom today. There are people who are doing work outside. So, Editors Guild, KUJ, Association, KCA will recommend people who have no problem. And so that if there's an issue, we come back to you. You are the person who recommended the person to us.
The law enforcement agencies, we will carry out our checks, and we will, especially, we already know where those guys appear, and we will be able to weed out the people we need.
Na serikali nigegendrete kubeka emirobiro yokoenekia buna obokorera imbochigo kinigwa anena sobotumeki bwechinchera chiekerero gokwana ase umusangirekano bwogochaki umuroberio manyikanite buna data privacy asa magache misangirekano a KICC myomocho Nairobi muraiwense Dr. William Samoei Ruto nigateba buna nigo bagocha kwenekia ense ya Kenya ya kirege tambukire kenene asobotumeki bwechinchera chiekerero.
We had 300 government services as of 2 weeks ago. We have increased that to 600. We have doubled in the last 2 weeks. We now have 600 government services available online. And we are well on course in ensuring that we have 5,000 government services in the next 6 months. And I've also asked the Ministry of ICT to also work on a digital identity, so that the big Huduma thing that never was we can finally have as Kenya a digital identity. And I have told my good friend Eliud that by the end of this year, Kenyans must be able to identify themselves digitally. It is not the work of government to issue IDs. It is the work of government to identify Kenyans. Over the next 5 years, we shall construct another 100,000 kilometers of national fiber optic network to achieve universal broadband.
Munenchira ya moyo gusira chisemi mense ya Kenya nigo muwaziri w'echisemi Ezekiel Machogu abeirega kubwatuka ebitabu uchiase abaorokiwa ba grade 7 ase umuroberio o junior secondary okwana chinga kiecho Machogu nigateba buna ebitabu ebyo nigo birachikwenanwa ase kera omorokiwa o grade 7 askere skuru ya serikali na boigo asaineke buna abaorokiwa ba grade 7 boigo mbachikonyora ebitabu ebyo birachikobakonya aso
the start of the distribution of the grade 7 textbooks that will cost the government of Kenya a total of 3,164,365,856 follows the completion of the assessment exercise of all primary schools to ascertain the readiness to host the junior secondary school runners, with the books expected in all schools that have been found suitable to admit grade 7 runners. The government is now proud to launch the distribution exercise, which is expected to be completed next week. And I require to make it clear that the number of primary schools which will be hosting junior secondary schools according to our assessment are now over 20,000, and we'll be giving you the specific number, and those who have not qualified are actually very few because our major criteria was on the enrollment, the numbers that we have as they transition, and there are others few that will serve as feeder schools to those that will be offering junior.
Ukwanira igoro ya machibu ya matemwa manene ya klasi ya Ikomi na kabere form 4 KCSE Ezekiel Machogu nigateba buna gose nigabaga kuba mochia bari bagoteba buna nigo amatemwa yo abetega koiberwa asikeria ine kyabuna no kyabwa barokiwa nororirete amachibu amaya koenekiwa.
People have said that we produced so many A's that almost each and every candidate was getting an A. This is not so. This is all but propaganda coined by people who don't have proper intentions for our education system, people who I can call, these are sadists. Because sincerely, when you start marining an education system with as part of the integrity process, then we start wondering what your intentions are. The number that got A in 2022, which I made public, was 1,146. If you compare that, actually it was lower. The percentage of A's in 2021 were more than those ones in 2022. So people saying that Machogu has given anybody an A, would I have been there to deny the Kenyans who got proper A's the opportunity for them to be awarded an A? That would have been most unfair to me as cabinet secretary, who has been bestowed these.
Mwancho muriyo libano na indekero ya rokanemna emechando emenge ya birige koretu kubatkana no guchincha kwerire nigo ekyombe kya kesdo kya birege kuruwa boseme bwabene gochiasa abantu igoro ya maunchuriro gosogo chencha kwerire murobere nigo genderete asensemo ya mugonga wasaba gusiba bere bagosemiwa igoro yechichiko echichigo ke ya erioki unenchemo yokurendarire umurikeito Josephat Amisi na begete ekambia senseme yekeronte ko mwari kwarigania senchira ya bene eriatomanyie nara ya bereka gukorekana asenseme yo gusina ya gendreta gukorekana asayo amisione konyuwete korwase chinsemecho
gutoka ase omuchibwa embassy Everlyne Osero nakonyorire ase nchira yoboikiranu eyemo ase yamuni gotore korwa ase omogobagani o Divon Hotel ye gutoka ime omuchi omogonga korubwati gituka bogokia no twabeire igaiga korwa emandi kwendeka twanyara ko kubaretera anene omoroberio oyo bwa omokutano beritiko uria rero yonyara ko bokwariganiwa amone byombe ebinde bitari bya serikali kweneka nga byanyara ko bigosemia abakenya nene abamenyi ba ensemo eye igoro ya ogonchoreria akwelire kati yali nyarire ko bagokwanerwa korwa abwa kiete emambia gaso omokutano beritiko rero nari kweneka buna abantu banyara ko bagosemia gwa abanyara ko bagosimeka emete nabo igo kweneka banyara ko bagotumia amaiko osechichiko chiria anene chikotumia chingo chike nabo igo erioki rirerike nabange gege korigireti gege maigana borochenga nomoroberio ogendrete kegima ase obosemia bogendrete koba bokwenekianga abamintu banyare koba gosomegwa ase nchira bene kati abande bali banyare koba na ase omoroberio bwerituko uria rero babante gotorigeria kamererio tebirite ria gonaki nabo igo anene amagere rituko ria rero nkia gosemiribu nayo mongina
Yetagangoro kupamera mageto ndege kundi gekoro kumirini women group nde secretary se kwegeri kwalere chiko yatakonyire yani ya toro kiria mange tora chiko batogokora ndege tangani yankonye tintuta Chinsa igyakabere tinyara ko baginko tumeka chibesa chinyinge yagatatu chinko ne chinkenda tumeke se chike
kero kende buna aye gati kero kende nga wateba no muliki bwe kyombe ntira kikirabda munanyara ko mugotumia kweneka muikerere abangina bande amona magiriri tukuya rero
kero ndaira ne gonda ende ntebya abangina baminto bamenta abangina bande gere tonyore chichika sobonge era abu kere kenyore chichike cho
bia mono sana baba twakoganiri Amayia na ikiro kugendera ko bago koikirania amangana buna gukyase abangina bande bali bali igari sikona igaiga na igaiga oyomo nere ya bali abanyara ko bago ikirana anena sa maigerio yeri tukoria rero inyora Everlyne twatika ko batogotebanga amaigeri amagima nigo ekerenga kiaye ekenene gekone kyanga anena ogonchoreria kwelire kwanyare ko bago kwanerwa engana eyo abange barorenga nigo ereyengencho osana tukutebya ngelitariago nabo igo ototebinga kero kende amagiriri tukuria rero buna ayikonyara ko bogoikirana gana kya arachiko bagakonya boro ne chinga kichigocha
mbeya mono ase lietankoro ku Joel na ende ngokora na Kesido asense moya ICT na Chinsa chinde ngokora tore amangana ko kwa community development gose ukurigeria ngaki ebinyoro biganete wokinga ase litukeria rero na bero no moko sana ase ngencho ndega igasoterie na somo kutano bokurigeria igoro yerire ega ntege tangani ndatebe abantu baminto bonsi bachiraiga bagokere sana ase ngenjo tuanyorere amafundisha amaya agochigokonya ebinyoro byeto bikine no nyatari ebinyoro byoka noni ntu nancho omonto ndega iga erinde manye obuya bwokorenda amasingiraito ega ntogia kabere program yeteringa neya koru ase ebinyoro byetoka ne ensengima eracho konyora uchumbe igoro yo yerire lito nando obuya bwokorenda lire lito ega ndokende ndatebe ewetera e project yokoru ekoru ku clean cooking yabere e project erengi ya mono ega ndege tangani ngochire koba ekorenda amasingiraito na gosomya abantu igoro yo gosimeka emete bunenchera ya moyo korenda lire ega ndogia kabere gochitore konyora nga ncherende nere naende none chigasitira toke ase abana baito na sensemo yabangina ase ngencho obugima bwa bono bwatakire kero omonto akore omokya erinde kwenyorera eng'eria egento gia gatatu ncherende naende nere ncherende naende nere turakore erinde tokonye gwetania konyora chigasi njera kiturekonye bunantu egento gia kabere gose gia gatatu ndatebe ngoikerere tumanye ng'a obunyamasi bwaitu nagiturabarende obokorokwa afya egento kende ndatebe gwetania gwe tigangiraneri ng'a e project ye nebe gegokonya chinsemo chonse chiense wetania ebinyoro byeito igaiga sensemo ya mugunga na asensengi mambo ya monase ontegerera
biamono sana inyora tungati ya bali banyarire ko baba gwikirana anene asa magiriri tuko ria rero inyora boigo nga ekyombeke kia Kenya Slum Youth Development Organization igokire ise yaye oborai Jacob Mangondi unyarire ko baga kwenekia ngane no nyarire ko baga koleta ebyombe biribire ebyombe bya abantu bene na boigo ebyombe bya serikali aso mugabiri tuko ria rero mporanga ekyombeke lia kia nema ngenya ko baiko wakilishwa kagantu nyoranga kilia Kenya Forest Services na boigo kurua abo bisa kurua ase county ya Kisii banyara ko bagwikirana gaiga linda sobwamo kwenekenga banyare ko bagosemia abantu igoro yo amontoreria ayagirire kati ya alikero kendara nyare ko bagwikiraniwa anene asensemeye no kwenekenga abasai baitu banyare ko bakwenyorera omo emeremo kubwatikana nemero bire buneye yanyare ko bagikobekwa ase ebinyoro engati tu yali togenda ko batuko kubwateria yemo ase yemo kurua asomo bugani oyo oroyo Davon Hotel yo gutoka imeya ensemo ya mugonga ko ikiraga gutika turatikiraga gunkwiraniga go ase studio Everlyne nyo kongiwete nabo kubaterago elindo gendere amona mangana magia ase enchire bukirano nyore litera nencengoro kwa Josephat Hamisi
Mbuya mono kegima umurikeito Josephat Hamisi asogo tumanyari agendrete asensemi ya mugonga na to igoro mancho murigereria abantu babeire bakonyoro boseme bwabene igoro yegonchoreria kwerire twarorere na obo gose omoye omuroberio bwoko renda mazingira naboigo abantu babeire bagokwanerwa anene ase okoena na kijiko ekyo kirachigotumeka achingo chinge kegima baigati abari babeire bakonyoro boseme babeire bakurwe birengerere byabo babeire gusanga kubwatikana nari babere bagokonyeka kurwase umuroberio yo twayigure no mungino yo moga gwotebire buna chichike echo nigo kirachi kubakonya kegima buna banginege kogera bangina nabwo korra mono bagotoka ase chichikoni nigirachi kubakeaneria budget nabo igo Chinsa igo bono mwanchu murigereri nere buyekero abantu bagosemiwe iguriro guchencha kwerire nene enchira yo korenda amazinkira miamono Josephat Hamisi kerogendrete gutubwateria bonari agendrete korekana mwanchu murigereria sinachiko tumanyia mange asoroboti oroikiranu rwenseyemo nabo igo Chinsa isato chia mugoroba wikiriga nongo korera mayaye Chinsa Ikomi chia bono mugoroba senchira yobenge ekarongo wakirangambia mona sogo chora ko bananche bali bonsto batoko bwaterana kwene kiago ikeire na barabuni gonko bakirangambia mono gendra ko tonyora sensemere ya Facebook kwetra Ndizi TV News Digital asensemo ya YouTube tonyora wetra Ndizi TV News na bogo tweetera @Ndizi TV News boigo ase website ito nigora tunyorwetera www.ndizitv.or.ke yekoragense yamono boigo Chinsa satono chikumira nanere sara nyarankyo ntita eria kumanyia manke asenchira ere yoboikirano twaro boligere borobya na boigo emagorobere ntoerere tariane Everlyne Osero twabwatrana nere Joshua Auta kwene kya wikeira sensemo yebimanyirerio
Ndizi TV Ubwansu Gusii Omurigeria nigoganitiko gure binto byogotumeka bwo usikonia natumanyitia suragure asobonge bono Ouru Superstores nigo bakonia kirigento kiryuganitie aseriguriria kebosani
Gusii mwensi ese mwabeta mwariganirwe aiga Ouru Superstores kontore chindagera temuskari omochere amafuta chingeni
icumbi chichuyus ebisuguti amabere n'amache y'ukonywa boigo nkoni abali chisabuni chimete na chiria chechibauda ebibiriti chitishu pepa emeito ebitabu ebirugu by'echiplastic n'echitangi cy'ukubikira amache igati y'ebintu binde binge asebali bakwagacha timokumia ekiagera nigo bakonia Iron Roads Jozi amabati emesumari chisimiti chirangi cy'ugwaka chinyomba chiwaya mesh chiwilbaro chisenyenge n'ibindi binge inyoranga nigo bago kubugoria umusigo wikabwo ekero kwagurire naboigo nabokubeke oda yawo kurwandonsi enseweta
mana bange nesimi bawaka ngo bakonya tore sana singenje kera akirisimi ameteno wakiruru na bwatobo maene bwaye nango konywa rebintu nigo ngoimoki chiode chisiabo na basi chikesha bita babarikera nande na make sure order iri naenana customer manya norigete order korireki obie nabongo bwakera back na matebi nanyora order yao nanyerikire nande na make sure nangonyenyorore ngotema tore sana toko batebi ne service yo konyore bindo ni 24 hours ebintu byabo bakorireki babinyorire uru superstore ngutariere binta satambe mono sauti Nyanza auna kutobwati chi customer wita bange mono chigari chitonganda chire Migori Isabania Kianja kocha bare bande side ya Rift Kilgoris Lologoria kwenda bare Sotiki Bomet nyonge richo chioda bocha tore twanyora.
I am in the customer care management and I appreciate you all customers. We'll give you the best quality services from delivery, from when you walk in, and we thank you customers for you have been a great